For many years, crypto market specialists have been working really hard to deliver a computerized resource, the biggest digital currency, that would be a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, between tradability and power. Every one of the obstacles and innovative whimsies encompassing digital forms of money were settled when Charles Hoskinson authored Cardano. Phenomenal gains when he made impromptu creations in his valued computerized posterity, making Cardano dispose of all blemishes and impediments, giving the world a one-stop arrangement. Cardano network battles all hindrances concerning adaptability, interoperability, and administration. Allow us to examine a portion of its novel elements. One supported by a committed group of experts working really hard to guarantee the system of Cardano is tailor-made to suit financial backer necessity. 2 a day in and day out nonstop talk and email support guarantee financial backers generally partake in the essential hand-holding while at the same time doing any exchanges. 3 setting higher client benchmarks. This digital money market plans to create unmistakable profit for every one of its financial backers. 4 being an open source code program. The usefulness of Cardano works on completely clear straightforwardness as well as exchange secrecy in the organization. It will give unmatched security to dApps and social orders. 5. The zero divulgence proof places the power in the possession of a definitive client, working with the whole exchange methodology's numerical consistency. 6. The instrument of the Cardano blockchain is conceptualized to the point that it guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. 7. Cardano can trap deceitful or misleading exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the former block. 8. ADA proprietors can procure compensations by imparting their stake to a stake pool run by others, or they can run their own stake pool. The people group at the Cardano project means to convey money-related gains to the clients by the organization. It bears the benefit of instructing and cautioning them on all the quick and dirty of the crypto world. The establishment committed to Cardano establishment's task has support from InfoResult Hong Kong and Emergo. Taking on the total sanction of liability towards financial backer social reason, Emergo upholds business reception, and IOHK cares for the surface. Together, they edit the creative peculiarity woven into Cardano innovation, composing formal strategies points of interest. The entire portfolio is fastidiously explored and inspected by experts before a public delivery. Cardano People Group is profoundly forceful in spreading mass consciousness of the advanced resource ADA upheld by training on blockchain and DeFi areas with ministers, promoters, and industry specialists. Leaving a worldwide impression upheld by articulate procedures makes Cardano stand apart from its companions and fundamentally influences different industry sections. Frederick Gregard, the CEO, has the vision as of now urgently cut for the corporate Cardano establishment has a devoted and top-quality ability base, which will take Cardano higher than ever, and I guess that the following couple of years will be a critical development period for the convention. Cardano is the 7th biggest digital currency by market capitalization. Cardano's local token, ADA, has a colossal market cap of $14,302,885,258. The development in ADA is essentially because of the lift in its utilization cases. As of late, the Cardano network has declared one more move up to make the exchange smooth and simple. 2022 has not been ideal for most digital currencies, including the crypto ruler, Bitcoin. Huge unpredictability was found on the lookout, alongside financial backers unloading their tokens and tracking down other more secure speculation choices. Notwithstanding, after the desolate 2022, the year 2023 has been very certain for the crypto market. Presently, the value activity of Cardano reflects negative energy. The USD could keep on confronting recuperation. According to our Cardano forecasts, the cash will record a high of 88 cents toward the finish of 2023. Cardano value expectation 2023 as per our ADA estimates. The coin might exchange a scope of 36 cents to 88 cents for the year 2023, where the base cost is 36 cents and the most extreme cost is 88 cents. Simultaneously, the typical ADA and incentive for the year might be around 62 cents. ADA value expectation 2024 the base and greatest costs for the year 2024 for the ADA token are supposed to be around 76 cents and $1.10. Simultaneously, the typical cost, according to our Cardano cost conjecture, is supposed to be around 93 cents. Cardano value expectation 2025 to 2025 is the year when at long last the coin might cross its $1.40 mark again with a greatest exchanging worth of $1.43, while the base future cost is supposed to be 99 cents. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $1.21. Cardano expectation 2026 the ADA cost could vary somewhere in the range of $1.26 and $1.82 in 2026, where the previous is the most minimal cost and the last option is the most exorbitant cost for the year, according to our Cardano cost expectations. The typical worth expected for the year is $1.54. ADA expectation 2027 as per our ADA cost expectation. The base, normal, and greatest costs for the year are supposed to be $1.64, $2, and $2.36 separately. Cardano has been one of the most dynamic crypto resources, and assuming that you purchase Cardano at its ongoing worth, merchants can procure incredible benefits. ADA coin value expectation 2028 in view of past execution and our Cardano estimate for 2028. The base and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $2.07 and $2.99, while the typical ADA cost might be $2.53 for the year 2028. Cardano expectations 2029 according to our ADA cost forecast. The base and greatest costs might be around $2.65 and $3.81 in 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth is determined to be $3.23. The cost change for the year, according to our ADA estimates, is supposed to be over half. Cardano value expectation 2030 when it is 2030. Our ADA cost forecast 2030 predicts that the coin might exchange a scope of $3.43 and $4.94. Simultaneously, our Cardano value expectation 2030 proposes that the typical worth might be $4.18 all year long. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town the ADA coin will progress forward the upturn. Here are numerous crypto specialists who think the ADA value gauge to be extremely hopeful, having colossal procuring potential, and urge financial backers to give shining proposals as underneath for this computerized resource. The Cardano figure recommends that the ADA cost could cross the greatest cost of $3.07 toward the finish of 2029. The base cost may be around $1.21 according to their ADA cost expectation 2025. In light of our Cardano expectation, it is a terrible long-haul venture. Your ongoing venture might be depreciated in the future as it is a high-risk resource, according to the ADA figure. In view of future ADA cost forecasts, digital currency will show a rising propensity. The future cost of a USD is anticipated to be $7.35 over the course of the following 5 years. Cardano, or so far as that is concerned, some other digital currency, can be impacted by different elements. The ADA cost is principally impacted by the merchant's opinions and whales for the time being. Assuming purchasers show an interest in the token, the cost will be enormously impacted decidedly. Indeed, even whales can control the coin's cost. In the event that an enormous amount of ADA tokens is held, the interest for the coin will expand because of the scaled-down supply, hence expanding the cost of the token as well as the other way around. While in the long haul, the cost principally influences mechanical progressions in major examination. The more the organization propels, the more it will catch financial backers' eye. The Vassal hard fork update made a great deal of changes as far as versatility, exchange charges, exchange speed, and the cost of the ADA token. To know the genuine